Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus cosine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have negative sine x, negative and negative, we have positive. This one that is about u. Sine x dx we change for the u. This one we have negative 1 over u. About u that is about 1 minus cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.